Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar NF Washed Up. This song is that easy, it's almost unnecessary to make a tutorial on this, but hey, it's a great song, so I want to highlight it. That's the reason for us mentioning, speaking about it, and playing it. So this will go fast, guys. Use a capo, put it on first. If you don't have any, then go without and use the same chords I'm going to teach you right now. We have 4 chords: A minor, C, E minor, F, and it goes like that through the entire song. Let's learn A minor first. It's open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. From that you go to C, very easy transition. So you go third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Then you go to the E minor. And you're gonna play open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And then finally we have the F. That's a bar chord. You place the next finger on the first fret. You push down all strings there. Then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. Alright, so that is the chord progression. You're gonna play 1 down per chord. And that's how we're gonna start it. So huge pauses in between. And you really want to ring out this sound here, okay? Because we're not working with much more than just this 1 down. We can take it up to the next level, and that is to add on 1 clap after, sorry, 2 claps after this down for each and every chord. So down, clap, clap, and then switch chord to down, clap, like this. That's it. And because we only have 1 down, I hit the clap on just the E string. It's absolutely enough. You don't have to hit all strings like this, because then you will kill the sound, okay? You don't want this, okay? You want it to ring out. Alright, so you see the difference there? Hit the clap on the E string, and that's how you do it. And for this song, I also choose a bigger guitar. This one is from Anchor Guitars. It has a big box here, okay? It's a Dreadnought model, so it has a bigger volume than the smaller guitars have, like parlor size smaller guitars, so therefore the sound will ring out more. You can use my coupon code 10% off to get one of these from Anchor Guitars, $250 or so, worth every penny, and then you have a great guitar. So yeah, guys, that's how you handle it from an NF. A great song there. So yes, hope to see you soon, guys. And if you want to support me, then like this tutorial, subscribe, and be back for next upload. Till then, play tuned.